everybody, I'm Mackenzie. I'm a teacher in the infant room, and today I'm just going to show you a really easy at-home sensory activity for your little ones with things that you most likely have at home. So sensory is great for all ages, but especially for the little ones, the little babies, because it helps with nerve connections, pathways to the brain. It helps with fine and gross motor skills, and you're just exploring your senses. You're exploring the different colors, the different textures, the different shapes it makes. Let's get right into it. So I have large freezer bags here. I'm gonna make two different ones. So the first one, it's really easy. I'm just gonna put pasta that I have at home. Obviously it can be any. And I'm not gonna measure it. I'm just gonna dump a good amount. So I have about that much. Actually, I'm gonna put in a little bit more. So it looks like that. And I'm gonna put in food coloring, but you can put in whatever you want. So I'll just put a couple drops. I'll do green. And I'll do blue. And I'll do yellow, just because. So now I'm gonna close it up, make sure all the air is out of it. I'm gonna shake it up so the color can get through all the pasta. And then at this point, once the air is out of it, I don't have tape with me, or else what you can do is you can put it on the table, flatten it out a bit, and then tape the edges of it down. So I'll flatten it down so it's nice and even, and then I'll use duct tape all around it, and that way your children can come up and they can rub around, see the different colors, feel the hard texture of the pasta. And it's great for unsupervised play, so if you're out somewhere else in the room, or they need to play by themselves for a little while, it's great. It'll keep them occupied, and it's mess-free and it's safe. So that's one bag. And the other one, I'm gonna take my Ziploc bag again, and I'm actually just gonna use any shaving cream that you have. Again, I'm not gonna measure it, I'm just gonna fill it. It's kind of hard. And I'll do a little bit more. So it kind of looks like that. And then this is actually great if you have just like a spare bin or bowl. Use an electric mixer and mix together dish soap and water, and it'll make like a really foamy, and it's safe and clean, obviously. And they can use that actually without the Ziploc bag and just actually use their hands so they can feel the texture of the water. So with the shaving cream, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna take my food coloring. I'll do red this time. I'll just do a couple drops. If your children has like toy sharks, or if you have little pom-poms, those work great too. But if they have little toy animals, plastic ones, that can be mixed in here as well. That works great too. So I'll zip it up. And then same thing, I could just tape it to the table and mix it around with my fingers, so that it'll look like that. And then eventually, if you put more food coloring in it, obviously you'd get more full. But yeah, that's it. Those are my two little at-home sensory bags. I hope you guys try it. I hope you're staying safe. That's it. So bye.